Well, we're done with the top hatch for the movable pen. Looks like it came out pretty good. May have messed up a little bit with the screws. I think the screws that I used were a little on the short side. Sunk them in pretty good. Used one longer screw, really shored things up. So I think we'll be all right. Ready for the music?
The music?
You know you like the music.
The music.
So you're gonna grab where? You
Here.
grab that end? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift and rotate. Wait a minute.
Yeah, I was like, where are you going?
Too far. Ready for rotation song? Get off of the boat. Hey, here we go. There we go. Good job, sweetie.
And I'm flying out fine.
Oh, that's John and Alma. Sun's going down, but we got a lot more done on the pen. Take a little closer look here. This end here, we got a little bit of a gap yet, but we got more than 3/4 of this hardware cloth nailed on there. We could probably wrap this up tomorrow evening if we have all the supplies. We're running out of nails pretty quick. But really, it's just putting the tin on here, right here, and then we have to take this here, this piece here, put the hardware cloth on, and lay it on here, and that's it. So we're back at it again today with our movable pen, and we have chicks that are now second set of chicks that are now ready to go out on pasture. So I'm really hoping to get this wrapped up before sundown, and we can get them out there and get them on pasture. Ready? Lift and rotate. How's it set? Pretty good?
Kind of.
Oh, I gotta get our power.
Power.
We need our power!
Whoa.
Awesome! Anyway.
I'm almost done here.
Oh, well, I can do too.
Hey, look, Klein, I found a seat.
Yeah, look at that.
A seat.
Let's see. Got the last of the hardware cloth on here. We started here, and all this over to here. Doesn't look half bad. Next we'll take, is it a 3-foot wide section?
Yes.
For that thing right over there up against the van. Or am I going to do the tin next?
Either or.
Okay. I know one thing, we're going to drop this thing down so it's on the ground and not up on the cinder blocks anymore.
So we're going to put the other chicks in tonight?
Probably. That's the goal anyway. That's what we want to do. I picked out the best tin we had left for the roof, and we have it laying on top. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this thing down. There we go. Now it's holding, Charity. Now it's holding. This is over just a little further than I wanted. I had to really screw bob that a little bit to get it right, but it worked. We now have the tin affixed to the movable pen. Looks okay, it's not perfect. I shorted a little on this side, overhang maybe just a little bit more on this side than I should have, but it's okay. The chickens won't care, and neither will I. So here's really the last piece of the puzzle. We just have to get this this framed out cover here covered with this hardware cloth.
It's working now.
You mean I solved it?
Yes.
Wow. Can you believe it? We're going to be putting chickies in this pen tonight?
Yeah, I
Does-
can.
does that
I
make-
can't wait to hold puppy cheeks.
Does that make you excited? Is anybody here excited about chickies going in the pen?
Yes.
I
Because
know I am.
they'll be best.
Got quite a few. Watch out, Cookie.
Oh, God, look. She's got look. And Mommy and Daddy don't.
Look at that. That's great. That was great. Okay.
I'll get this.
We finished it. Take a look at it. See what you think about it. Ta-da! Doesn't it look nice? Looks kind of like the other one we have, interestingly enough. First, we're going to load it up. We got to get some of the stuff off of our trailer over here. And we'll move it over with the van to its spot. Put it back on the ground and put the chickies in. We're going to move the chicken pen now. I leave you in my daughter's capable hands. Well, the oldest one anyway. There you go, Hopi.
Bad boy, get Wedgie. Wedgie's gonna get in trouble. Wedgie's in the car. He climbed in the Mazda.
Wedgie's in the car.
Yes, he jumped through the open windows.
How about it? Look at him go. All right, I guess what, you and I are getting this down? Uh-uh.